how to add your YouTube channel link on Roblox. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to go to your YouTube channel, and then you just have to click on your channel profile and click on view your channel option. And after that, you just have to click on the more section from here and click on share channel and copy channel ID from here. Or you can also click on share channel and copy the link from here, and then you have to go to the official Roblox website where you need to be logged in before, and then you just have to click on the settings from here and click on settings. And after clicking on settings, you can see on the account info, you just have to scroll down a little bit and see a social networks option from here, and you just have to simply paste your channel link under the YouTube section and click on save. And the YouTube URL is invalid, they say, so you just have to check if this working. Click on save, and it's saved successfully. So my official YouTube channel is now linked to my Roblox account. That's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.